In this video, want to solve for x plus y is equal to 1 and xy is equal to 1. Then what's the value of xy? 97% of students see this math and immediately panic due to this ugly exponent. But there's a hidden trick, and once you spot it, the whole problem becomes surprisingly easy. So here we can take x plus y equal 1 as the equation number 1, and xy is equal 1 is the equation number 2. So here from the equation number 1 we can write x plus y is equal to 1, and from here we can write the value of y is equal to 1 minus x. So we can take this value of y equal 1 minus x as equation number 3. So after that we can easily write here from the equation number 2 we can write x times y is equal to 1. So here we have to just replace the value of y from the equation 3, which was x times 1 bracket 1 minus x is equal to 1. So from here we have to multiply this, then x times 1 will be x and minus x times x will be x squared is equal to 1. So from here we have to replace the value of 1 into the left side, then we get x minus x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here if we take the equation and divided both sides with minus 1, then we'll get x divided by minus 1 minus x squared divided by minus 1 and 1 divided by minus 1 and 0 divided by minus 1. We just want to take the positive value of x squared. So from here we can write minus x plus x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can write x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So if we compare the fellow quadratic equation with ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So then we will get the three value of a. The value of a will be 1 and the value of b will be minus 1 and the value of c will be 1. So in here we just have to replace the ABC's value in the quadratic formula, which was x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we have to just replace the ABC's value in this equation. Then we'll get minus bracket minus 1 plus minus root over 1 square equal 1 minus 4 times 1 divided by 2 times 1. So it will be like 1 plus minus root over minus 3 divided by 2. So in here we can write 1 plus minus root over 3 times root over minus 1 divided by 2. So from here we can write 1 plus minus root over 3 times I divided by 2. because we know root over minus 1 is equal to I. This is a complex value. So from here we can get the value of x1 will be 1 plus minus 1 plus root over 3I divided by 2, and the value of x2 will be 1 minus root over 3I divided by 2. So we get our first answer of on 2, x1 and x2 is it. So now we have to just replace this x and y's value in the equation number 3, which was we can write here the from equation number 3 we get the value of y is equal to like 1 minus x. So if we write y1 is equal to 1 minus x1, we have to just replace here the x1 value was we get from previous. So here we can write 1 minus 1 plus root over 3I divided by 2. So after that it will be like divided by 2 and 2 minus 1 minus root over 3I. So after simplifying this value, we will get the real value 1 minus root over 3I by 2. So this is our y1 value. So now after that the second one will be y2 minus 1 minus x2. So we have to just replace this exponent equation, the value of x2 minus 1 minus root over 3I divided by 2. So from here we can write divided by 2 with 2 times minus 1 plus root over 3I. So the equation will be like 1 minus root over 3I by 2, the value of y2. So guys, we get our real answer and solution. X1 comma y1 will be bracket 1 minus plus root over 3I by 2 comma 1 minus root over 3I divided by 2. And on the other hand, the value of x2 comma y2 will be like 1 bracket 1 minus root over 3I divided by 2 comma 1 plus root over 3I divided by 2. So hope you are guys enjoying the solution. Thank you. Do subscribe.